Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I want to discuss the remaining problem of the factorization. So you should get that everyone. So I think that up to 1 and 2 exercise 17D 1 and 2 already finished. So today we'll discuss what from 3 onwards. Clear? Okay, so see, first question is telling here 4x square plus 12x plus 9. Four x square plus 12x plus 9. Okay, so see here coefficient 4 and constant part 9. 4 9 is 36. Clear? 4 9 is 36. Okay, we need what, sir? 12. We want 12. So do what to do? 2 18 is 36. 2 9 is 18. Okay, 2 9 is 18. Next 3 3 is 9. Okay, so 12 need means what? 12 means we can do one thing. See, 3 into 2 3 into 2, 6 into 6 36. No, 6 into 6 36 and 6 plus 6 12. We can do it, this one. Yes, that is better. Okay, so 4x square plus 6 plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so 4x square plus 6x plus 6x plus 9. Understood? Now take common what? 2x common. If we take 2x common, the remaining 2 will come and 1x will come. Okay, plus 3. Understood? Plus 3 common, 2x plus 3. Understood? So see, in bracket same portion is coming. Yes sir, same portion is coming. So 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3. Clear? Clear or not clear? So this is the answer. Okay, I hope clear. Next, question number 4. So see, question number 4 is telling here 9x square minus 24x, 9x square minus 24x plus 16. Write the question. 9x square minus 24x plus 16. Okay, so see here constant coefficient part 9 and constant part 16. So 16 into 9 what? 69 is 144. 144 means we can do one thing. See, we need what? 24. No, 24 means 24 means, yes, we can do one thing. 12 into 12 144 and 12 plus 12 24. Okay, 12 plus 12 24 and 12 into 12 144. So that one we will do. Okay, so that means we can write 9x square minus 24 means what? 24 means 12 plus 12x plus 16. Okay, that means 9x square minus 12x plus 16. Okay, so take common. So what is the common, sir? 9 and 12 common, 3 are common, 3x common. 3x common means the remaining 3x will come. Okay, minus 4 will come because 3 4 is 12. Next, minus 4 common because 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. So that's why 3x minus 4. Understood? Why minus? Because plus or sign was there, so we are taking minus 4 common. So minus taking common means what? Another minus also will come inside. So that's why minus into minus plus. Okay, so that means 3x minus 4 and another one will come what? 3x minus 4. Easy? I think very easy question. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. So see, 5 is telling here 16 plus 56 x plus just a minute, just a minute. (16 plus 56x plus 49 plus 49). This is the question. What to do here, sir? 16 and 49 will multiply it. 16 and 49 will multiply. Okay, 69 is what, sir? 144. So 4 will come. 14 carry. 16 4 ja 64. 64 plus 14 78. Okay, 78. So 784. Okay, so 784. So we'll do what, sir? We'll do what? We need 56, no? We need 56. So do factorization. Do factorization. So 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4. Again divide by 2. 2 1 is 2, 19. 2 9 is 18, and 2 6 is 12, 196. Again 2 2 9 is 18, 1 2 8 is 60, 98. Okay, next 2 2 4 is 8, 2 9 is and 7 7 is 49. Okay, so we need what, sir? 56, no? 56. Okay, 56 means what to do? What to do, sir? Any common portion is there? Just see. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 7 is 56. No. 4 2 2 is 4. Okay, see, this one we will do any other process. Other process means like that. 16 means we can write what, sir? 4 square. We can write what? 4 square. We can write it plus means a square plus this portion, keep it like that. Later we will write 49 means as what, sir? 7 square. We can write it. We can write or not, sir? We can write it. Okay, so a square and b square finished. This is a and this portion b. A square plus b square finished. And inside what needs, sir? 2ab need not backward because what? Because a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square finished, b square also finished. 2ab. So 2 into a means what? 4. B means what, sir? 2 4 is 8, and b what, sir? 7. Clear or not? Clear? And here 49 x square was there, no? 49 x square, that means here 7x will come. 7x will come. So that means here 7x will come. So now see, 2, this one a and this one b. Now formula is coming, sir. Okay, this one also we can do it. This process also we can follow it, because here coming what, sir? 16 means 4 square, that means a square. Okay, and here 49 x square means 7x whole square, that is b. Okay, 7x is the b, and inside what? 2ab. 2a means what? 4, and b means 7x. So now our formula is coming a plus b whole square formula means 4 plus 7x whole square. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? So this is the answer. Okay, next question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6, write the question at first. 9 minus 30z plus 25z square. Okay, clear? Okay, so what to do, sir? Here 9 minus 30z minus 25 plus 25z square. Here this one we can do it like that. 9 means what? 3 square. previous process. Okay, minus keep it like that. 2ab later will write, otherwise you can write also 2a, a means 3, b means what, 2 3 is 6, 6 is coming, but here 30 is 8, so 6 already got, so 5 will come, 5z will come now, 5z plus c, this one 25z square means what, 5z whole square. Clear or not? Clear? So this one a, this one b, this one a into b. Okay, so this one what formula, sir? A minus b whole square formula, that means 3 minus 5z, 3 minus 5z whole square. Understood? Clear? Clear everyone? Next 7. Nine q to the power 4, 9 q to the power 4 r to the power 4. Okay, minus 6 p to the power 4 q square r square, q square r square plus p to the power 8 plus p to the power 8. This is 9. So what to do, sir? Here 3 means 3 square means 9, no? That means 9 means we can write 3 square, and q to the power 4, q to the power 4 means we can write q square, and r square total whole square we can write, sir, because 9 was there, 9 means 3 square, q to the power 4 means q square whole square, r to the power 4 means r square whole square. Okay, minus 2 a means what, sir? A means what, 3 q square r square, that is a, and b, see here 6 given in middle portion. Okay, clear? Just a minute. Okay, so 6 we are getting already here, q square r square also getting here, so that is a, and b means what, sir? B means p square, no? Clear? Why? P square or p to the power 4, p to the power 4 will come, yes, because 4 p to the power 4 was there, so here will come p to the power 4 whole square. Now see, that is a, and it is here b, this portion a, this portion b, so a square minus 2a plus b square. Okay, clear? So that means 3 q square r square minus p to the power 4 whole square. Understood? Clear? Concept should be clear, everyone, and if your concept clear means you can do it. Okay, so 7 finished. 8 see, at first I am writing the question. 9 9 p square by q square plus 16 r square by m square plus 24 pr by qm. Okay, this is the question. 9 p square by q square, 16 r square by m square plus 24 pr by qm. Okay, okay, so 9 p square means we can write what's a 3p by q total whole square. Clear? Okay, this is a square. Now 16 m r square, 16 means what, 4r b square. Okay, third term given at first. Okay, in second portion, in second term, instead of second term here given third term, so that's why interchange is given here. Next plus, so a square plus b square finished. Next 2ab, 2a, a means what, sir? A means 3p by q. Okay, and b means what, sir? 4r by m. Okay, clear? So that means what, sir? this is a, this is b, and here 2ab. That means a plus b whole square formula. No, a plus b whole square formula. That means 3p by q plus 4r by am whole square. Understood or not? Very hard? No sir, not hard, easy. 8 finished. 9 9c, I'm literally just erasing because space problem, so that's why 9. At first write the question everyone and try it. Okay, see 9, question number 9. 1 by 4 z to the power 6 plus 9a square minus 3a z cube. Clear? This is the question. 1 by 4 z to the power 6 plus 9a square minus 3a z cube. Okay, so 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 we can write, and z to the power 6 means cube whole square, that is cube. Okay, that is a, that is a. B means what sir? 3a whole square, that is b, minus 2ab, so write it here 2. Okay, so a means what? 1 by 2 into z cube. Okay, and b means what sir? 3a by 3a, only 3a, that is b. Clear? So just matching or not sir? Here 3a z cube, that is 2ab, no? See here 2 and 2, here 2 and 2 will be cancelled now, so that's why. After that 1, yes, that is a and b I am writing for that understanding. Okay, and then z cube a, z cube into 3a is coming. Yes, z cube into 3a is coming. That means a cube, that means here a minus b whole square formula, 1 by 2 z cube minus 3a whole square. Okay, clear? Next 10, question number 10c. 9 by 4 a square plus 49 by 9 p square 7ap. 9 by 4 a square plus 49 by 9 p square minus 7ap. Okay, clear? Okay, 9 by 4 means we can write what? 3 by 2 whole square plus 49 means 7 by 3 p whole square minus 2ab. So 2a means 3 by 2 into a, and b means 7 by 3 into p. Okay, just a minute, I am coming little bit. Sorry for late. So see, just matching or not? Just matching or not? A, this is B, this is A, AB. Okay, so that is what? A minus B whole square formula. That means 3 by 2a minus 7 by 3 p whole square. Clear? Clear everyone? Clear? So that is the answer. I hope clear everyone. Clear everyone? So that's all. You will practice it. Okay, so exercise all problems you have to practice. We have to practice it. 17D 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 1 to up to 10 you have to practice, 1 to 10 you have to practice it, okay, and after that you have to submit. That is the answer. Clear everyone? So that's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.